chunky fella has returned to Turnbull Creek. Technically haven't returned because I've never fished here on camera. I have fished here for years and years. Captain Redbeard and me used to come out here, 10 years ago maybe. And it is a beautiful little creek, as you can see. Take a look at this water. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. And as you can see, I have no kayak. I just got some chunky feet. But this is what we're dealing with, y'all. I mean, it's a pretty little creek. We're gonna wade upstream quite a bit. Water's moving pretty good, as expected. I'm excited. It's a little different. We're taking a page out of John Dalton's book and doing some creek fishing adventures. If you don't subscribe to John Dalton, you have to. So check out Creek Fishing Adventures. So hopefully we'll catch some fish here. Like I said, it is moving pretty quick, but we'll see what happens. Thanks for joining me. First fish of the day is a rock bass, like I said. Not a monster, but he's eating good. Let's see here. Trying not to hurt his eye. And this is him in all of his glory. So we got one, guys. Turnbull never fails. He still thinks he's hooked or something. He's trying to figure it out. As you can see, I mean, this is how pretty the water is. We can see him all the way down there. All right, Turnbull, one down. Figure. Got our smallie. Pretty fish. Nice one. We got him on the Helgermite. And very excited about that. And he's gone. There he goes. Congratulations, guys. One down. Or two down now. One smallie. That's it, guys. We've been fishing a little over 2 hours. Really just walked upstream. Threw it in a few times. Got some bites, mostly rock bass. Caught a couple of rock bass. Caught a decent little smallmouth for a little creek fish. But had a good time. I mean, a few fish in a couple hours. Not much to complain about, considering most of the time you're just kind of walking. But as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me. I wish all of you tight lines, and thank you for joining the Chunky Man fishing.